This is 2024, and I'm freaking out about the design of a camcorder. What? Right? Like, I never would have guessed that. But Harry Isaac has me freaking out. Okay, let's just back up a little bit. I grew up in the 80s and 90s. And in the 90s, like through the whole 90s, up to the year 2000, there was this trend of making things transparent. And it was so you could see the electronics inside. And there was something celebratory and optimistic about the technology of the future that I think we've lost. Since the year 2000, everything's been dark and gritty. Our movies, our technology has just been like dark and edgy and mean and tough. But in the 90s, there was this like bubbly, almost flamboyant aspect that I really miss the optimism of. And Harry decided to go down this route with a design project. They took a Sony camcorder, ripped it apart, measured everything, figured out the sizes of everything that fit so they could put it back together in a new shell. And the shell they designed is transparent and orange and wonderful. I love the design aesthetic of this thing. It's beautiful. They even did a purple version. Now, you should go follow Harry because not only are they doing these case redesigns, they did a GoPro too. Admittedly, I don't like the GoPro as much. It's like all sharp and pointy, and I don't like sharp and pointy things, but somebody probably does, and they're going to love that redesign of a GoPro. They did a modular speaker system that clicks together with magnets, and the speakers automatically communicate. And probably one of the most fun things, they made a scooter that blows bubbles as they go down the road. Go follow Harry. There will be links down below to YouTube and TikTok and whatever. And be sure to follow me for more projects. And let me know if there are any cool projects you think I should be sharing with people. Subscribe to me or you smell bad.